Wow, the stock market has been trending down for months now. We've been sharing the ups and downs of being rookie stock traders.
We're all in with a $60,000 2021 income goal. In this video, we're sharing how we make $5,000 a month trading stocks.
What's up, Legacy Builders? I'm Rob.
I'm Reshawn.
And this is Learn Hustle Grow. She's a stock trader.
He's a realtor.
And we are debt-free investors. If you've been following our journey, then you know that at the end of 2018, we left our W-2 jobs, and in 2019, we traveled the world.
We focused on debt paydown and long-term investing in both real estate and the stock market to achieve financial independence. On this channel, we're sharing our version of life after corporate America.
So y'all know we're about to break it down for you. All we ask is that you hit that like and that subscribe button.
You guys, we hope you spent Thanksgiving with people who love you. We had a blast participating in our local Thanksgiving Day turkey trot and then going to brunch. Who else participated in the turkey trot? Did you cook? Tell us in the comments below.
Listen, let's be real for a second. We never run, right? I go to the gym on a regular basis, but after doing this, we haven't done a 5K since, wait a minute, we do one last year? I don't think we did. But anyway, so we did a 5K after, and the most I've done recently is the treadmill, right? 15 minutes or 20 minutes at a time.
And I'm not gonna front. I didn't run. I walked.
Listen, our legs were like noodles the next day. My thighs were sore. I was a hot mess, but we gonna move on from that. But about the food though, I did all that so I could make sure that I could eat good. So we ate out, right? And I loved the variety because the place was like a buffet style, high-end buffet.
Yeah,
and we
roast,
ate out.
turkey,
Yeah, it was
and all
amazing.
the fixings.
And we didn't have to do any cleanup.
Five different desserts.
Yeah, but the drawback is having no leftovers. So that kind of sucked. But
listen, if your household is anything like ours, you eat the same exact things for Thanksgiving and for Christmas. We like to have a little variety.
Yes.
And it gives me a little break from cooking big meals for both holidays. But we will definitely be cooking for Christmas.
Indeed. Just want to say shout out to the 8,000 legacy builders who have subscribed to our channel.
Yes. Oh my goodness. We are up 1,000 new subscribers since our last trading video in October.
You are helping us spread the word about investing and financial independence. We appreciate you.
We're so glad you find the content helpful. Thanks to those who've taken the time to leave a comment. We read and respond to every one of them.
We are actual students of the Invest with Terry VIP Trade and Travel course.
We joined the course in late January of 2020. We spent 2020 learning the market and studying the IWT methodology. After we recouped our initial $5,000 investment, we posted our first Trade and Travel course review.
After getting DMs about how it was going, we posted a 9-month update. Turns out there's a lot of people that want to trade for income.
So we decided to share our monthly progress throughout 2021. We'll share links to a few previous videos and the Trade and Travel course in the description below.
In January 2021, we set an income goal of $5,000 a month.
We set that goal based on the average Texas income as shared by the U.S. Census Bureau. We wanted to answer the question, can you earn an income by trading?
Well, the year is almost over and the market has been crazy.
Yes, it has. It feels so crazy because it's such a huge change from last year.
Yes.
In 2020, we experienced this tremendous drop, and then the market came back roaring faster than anyone could have anticipated.
Yep. There are all types of warnings about a pending stock crash. It didn't happen in 2020. Is this it?
The market has been trading down for months now. We are still experiencing the impacts of the pandemic. Stocks that hit all new highs in 2020 are now seeing 52-week lows. And we are seeing a whole lot of red.
Investopedia defines a stock market correction as a 10 to 20% pullback.
We saw a pullback happen for a lot of companies in Q3. Now, I'm no expert, but I thought we would see the market rise in Q4.
Right.
That hasn't happened. So let's talk about what did happen.
A lot of money has been made during the last year. This year, many investors have been moving their money from stocks to real estate.
Low interest rates created a home buying frenzy. We're finally starting to see the DFW market cool off. Tip: The holidays and winter months create an opportunity for buyers due to the reduced competition.
We opened the month of November with a positive jobs report for October. Wages are up, unemployment is down.
The U.S. ended the month with a claim of the lowest unemployment since 1969.
What?
By the way, when was the last time you asked for a raise? What are you waiting for? Get your money.
U.S. inflation has reached 6.2%.
We are all feeling it at the grocery store and the gas pump.
Ooh, yes.
So much so that President Biden is trying to offer some relief by, releasing some of the oil reserves in order to bring down gas prices.
Experts still believe that the current rate of inflation is the result of ongoing supply chain issues.
COVID-19 just won't let us be great.
No.
Unfortunately, the new Omicron version of the virus has some investors spooked.
The U.S. will not be shutting down. Americans are not having it. And everybody's just gotten the travel bug lately. Hey, just my humble opinion, those travel stocks are only down temporary, y'all.
So in addition to a new COVID variant, Fed Chairman Jerome Powell has indicated that interest rates might be going up sooner than anticipated.
When interest rates go up, investors move their money from stocks to bonds.
On top of all that, end of year is also the time for tax loss harvesting. Tax loss harvesting is used to reduce capital gains tax. This is a strategy generally used when people are focused on their short-term capital gains reduction.
Short-term capital gains are taxed at a higher federal income tax rate than long-term capital gains.
Long-term capital gains are taxed at 15%. Short-term capital gains are taxed at your regular income tax rate. For more information, contact a tax professional or check out irs.gov. By the way, if you are gaining anything from watching this video, go ahead and give us a like, subscribe, and share this video with someone you love.
Okay, wife, before I ask you how you're feeling about all this we just discussed, people want to know how your November trading went. So, Trade Cousins want to know, did you meet your $5,000 goal? Drum roll, please.
Unfortunately, I did not. We closed out the month of November with a profit of $2,412. This is a screenshot of closed positions from Fidelity Active Trader Pro. In the first column, you see the symbols for the stocks traded.
To get investor information on each stock, check out sites like Yahoo Finance and CNBC.
Your online broker, Fidelity, Schwab, TD Ameritrade, or whomever you use, can also offer some insight.
The second column is the number of shares purchased and sold.
The third column represents short-term gain. Short-term gains are profits from positions held less than 1 year.
Column 4 is long-term gains for positions held for at least a year. You will see here there are none.
Column 5 is the company name or ETF name. I traded out of 6 positions in the month of November.
Okay, wife, so what kept you from reaching your goal?
Well, first of all, I didn't trade any of the big movers like Amazon, Tesla, or Shop.
Why is that?
Well, when I am trading stocks that are that expensive, I am looking for a $100 per share move. And because the stocks were trending up so significantly in the month of November, I didn't see a buyer zone that would get me that kind of return.
Okay. So the stocks that you mentioned are fairly expensive. Why didn't you trade options?
That's what everybody wants to know, right? Unfortunately, I'm just not as comfortable with options as I would like to be as far as seeing a consistent return. Hopefully, I'll be there in the next couple of months.
Okay, what's holding you back on that?
I think part of it is mindset. I started trading in a bull market where stocks were constantly going up. And when you buy a put option or short the market, you are betting against the stock market.
I see that. So how are you feeling in this market?
Honestly, I would rather see the stock market going up. I mean, who wouldn't?
Right.
But I do know and believe that I have the tools to make money in any market.
Okay, so what's your strategy for trading stocks going forward?
Well, now that the market is making smaller moves when the stocks go up, I have to seriously consider buying more shares.
Okay.
If you look back at the snapshot, I maxed out at 25 shares.
Okay.
Had I doubled the number of shares I had purchased, I would have gotten a lot closer to achieving my goal. Secondly, I need to look at making more day trades.
Okay. So this year you've been primarily a swing trader. Why change now?
The market has changed. As the market starts to trend downward, we're seeing much smaller upward moves. So it's harder to get that $10 to $20 a share that we were able to get last year or even earlier this year.
Okay. So you need more shares for more money, right?
I need to be able to get in and out so that I can get my money back at the end of the day.
Okay. Okay, so how is this going to change your overall trading?
More than likely, we'll start to see more break-even trades or even some losing trades.
Okay. Trade Cousins, how's your trading strategy changed since the changes in the stock market? Comment below.
We want to hear from you. What questions do you have?
See you in the next video.